Have you ever had one of those days when your body says, sit down, honey, and your spirit says, not today? That's me, living with spinal stenosis. Every day, I have to find that balance between pushing through and giving myself grace. When I was first diagnosed, I thought my life was going to shrink. Cooking was my peace, my joy. But the pain made it feel impossible some days. I'd start making dinner, and before I knew it, I'd have to stop, lean on the counter, and just breathe through it all. There was a time I cried over something as simple as not being able to stand long enough to finish a meal. But you know what? That's when I learned something special. That's when I learned something powerful. Healing isn't about doing everything the way you used to. It's about finding new ways to keep doing what you love. Now, when I cook, I do it differently. I sit on my stool. I move slower. I give myself permission to rest. I make one-pot meals because they don't just save time. They save energy. They save my back. And they remind me that simple can still be delicious. That's where my pineapple chicken comes in. Sweet, tangy, and full of comfort. So if you're living with a chronic illness, I want you to remember, your story isn't over just because your pace changed. You can still find joy. One small adjustment, one meal, one breath at a time.